In today's tutorial video, we'll see how to add locations in Book24Seven. From your dashboard, click Locations in the sidebar, then click Add Location. A form will appear where you can enter the location details. First, enter your branch or office name. Next, type and select the address in the address field using the integrated map. This map integration ensures accurate geolocation for customers booking through your online panel. Then, upload a photo to represent the location, such as a storefront image or logo if you wish. After that, add a contact number for this location. Finally, include a short description or visible information to help customers understand the branch details. Click Add Location, and that's it. Your location is added. To view it, go to your customer booking page, where the new location will appear in the booking panel. By following these simple steps, you can add multiple locations to your business with ease.